Oops, there we go. One out. Okay, I got different tool here to pop this out. Oh! There we go. There we go. Ah. Okay, it's out. It is out. Okay. I hate working on plastic, guys. Where is it? They just bought this one, and the reason I'm replacing it because of this stretch crack right here. And guess what? They didn't even buy it from us. They bought it on the other store, and they came here to get it fixed. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Can we separate this? No. We'll see if we can able to undo this. Okay. There's a screw up there. How come the manual didn't say that? I almost ripped it. Ah, fuck. Seriously? Ah. Okay guys, so I put all back together and it's not broken. Yeah. So this is good. Whew. Alright, so we don't have to deal with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all back together. Okay. Oh, we're missing one. Okay. It's right there. Okay. There we go. Here. We're also missing one. Oh, it's right here. This thing fell. And all we have to do is line this up. Okay. Right there. Okay. Okay. Here's the new one. Make sure it's not broken. Yep. It's in a good shape. All right. You are out. It's time for you. Okay, so just line this up. Right there. Try not to scratch it. Oh yeah. That one is not all the way in. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's dead. All right, now we're back. Then double check your tightness. Plug this back. Both of them. Cool. So this guy is gonna go this way. I thought I broke it. Okay, plug this back. Oh, are we not missing any clip? No, we're not. Okay, plug it back. Oops. Is that going to be an issue? I don't think so. Okay. Line it up. Okay. Don't forget these two screws. All right. So it's not gonna work until you close it. Then, hey, it does work. Sweet. I think we're good. Oops. This one. Oh, shoot. Got shock. All right, we are not missing any clip. So we're just gonna go line this up right there. Oops, I don't like that. There we go. There we go.